In the late 1990s and into the new millennium, Reading High athletic teams were on a roll. Outstanding athletes, both male and female, were aplenty at the 62 Oakland Road campus, and none were greater than Katie Collins, who was a three-sport All-Scholastic at RMHS. Collins made her marks in field hockey, girls ice hockey, and softball. Katie was a standout midfielder for the Lady Rockets under RMHS Athletic Hall of Fame coach Mim Jarima. She wound up with a team-high 9 goals in her junior season. Katie earned the first of her 2 Middlesex League All-Star selections. For her standout play in her senior season, Katie was named a Boston Herald Field Hockey All-Scholastic in the fall of 1999. In the spring, Katie played for another powerhouse program, the RMHS softball team.
She was a fabulous athlete. That's the one thing I remember about Katie, is that she was a versatile player. I could put her anywhere on the field. Katie Collins is an RMHS Hall of Famer because of her abilities, both offensively, defensively, off the field, as a player, as a teammate. She was just one of those kids that was just a step above everyone else.
She was a 3-time Middlesex League All-Star in 1998, 99, and 2000. Collins' senior year of 2000, she was named the Middlesex League's most valuable player in a Boston Globe All-Scholastic.
You know, whether it was her speed or her agility or, you know, just that versatility, it was just something that some other kids were amazed at what she could do.
But Katie's best sport was ice hockey. The Collins name at Reading High is synonymous with ice hockey. Younger brother Sean, also an inductee in this year's RMHS Athletic Hall of Fame class. As potent as Sean was offensively, it is Katie who holds the RMHS record for points in a single season with an eye-popping 81 points. In his debut varsity season, the Lady Rockets finished the regular season with a 17-2 mark. She skated right into the Boston Globe's girls hockey All-Scholastic Super Team. 3-sport athletes do not come around very often, making the RMHS athletic career of Katie Collins very special. It is with great pride the RMHS Athletic Hall of Fame welcomes Katie Collins into the class of 2011.